Hi everyone, how are you? I'm very hopeful that you are good. We are meeting again in another video, free tutorial of the PVcase. If you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, uh, kindly like the video, share the video, and click the bell icon. You get the latest videos on my YouTube channels as soon as possible. Uh, Now we are moving to our topic. Today, our topic is regarding how we place the shading object in the PV case. So, start from that options. You can see that there is a shading object there. So, here are the different versions like trees, stations. Now, I am placing the MV station there. So, here, what is the width? They asking me about the width. So it is around 6 meter width, um, 6 meter length. Width is the 3 meter, and the height is the 3 meters. So I'm just adding object and place there. You can see that this object is placed here. Now I will move. Uh, we are placing the axle line there. Give the offset 1 meter and place the MV station here. And then another option is that the trees. Now we are placing a one tree like 2 to 3 trees. The diameter is the around 15 meters. Trunk height is the 25 meters. Total height 40 meters. So add object there. I'm just placing one object there. Add another object there. Add another object there. Add an object there. So now I am seeing that there are the 3 to 4 objects I have created in the PV case. Now I'm giving the for command and just remove it. You can see that they have placed the administration there, and also they place the the trees here. So today in our class is about the shading objects. If you like this video, share with your audience, share with your friend, share with your family members, and click the bell icons and subscribe to my channels. We will meet again in another video by tomorrow, by next day. Bye.